Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the fabulous world of fashion with none other than the incredibly stylish Vamika Gabi. Let's take a closer look at some of her most iconic outfits and see what makes her a true fashion icon. Her casual wear often includes classic denim pieces, ripped jeans, denim jackets, and overalls, paired with basic tees or stylish tops. She often accessorizes with minimal jewelry, sneakers, or ankle boots, making her street style effortlessly cool. The actress is also a fan of athleisure, frequently spotted in comfortable yet trendy tracksuits, leggings, and sporty tops. This look often complements her active lifestyle, providing functionality while still looking fashionable. She frequently mixes different textures and prints, creating eye-catching ensembles. Whether it's pairing a sequin top with a flowy skirt or mixing stripes with florals, her fearless approach to fashion experimentation sets her apart. Her accessory game is strong and often features unconventional pieces like statement earrings, bold necklaces, or unique handbags that add an extra layer of personality to her outfits. She has been spotted wearing outfits from sustainable fashion brands that use organic materials and ethical production methods. Her advocacy for sustainable fashion is subtle yet impactful, promoting a greener approach to style. Her choice of fabrics ranges from silk to chiffon, often in vibrant colors and rich textures. When opting for Western wear on the red carpet, Vamika gravitates towards sophisticated gowns and dresses. She often prefers designs with a touch of drama, think voluminous skirts, high slits, and off-shoulder or asymmetric necklines. Her color palette here is diverse, from bold reds and blacks to soft pastels and metallics. She has a penchant for stylish jackets and coats that add a sophisticated edge to her attire. Whether it's a classic trench coat, a structured blazer, or an embellished ethnic jacket, the beauty uses outerwear to bring a polished finish to her ensembles. For a touch of drama, Vamika occasionally opts for faux fur jackets or capes. These pieces not only keep her warm but also add a luxurious feel to her outfits, perfect for high-profile events or winter fashion. The actress often embraces boho chic by wearing flowy maxi dresses with floral prints or earthy tones. These dresses usually feature relaxed silhouettes, ruffles, or tiered skirts, giving her a dreamy and ethereal look. To complement her bohemian outfits, Vamika frequently layers accessories like chunky necklaces, stacked bracelets, and wide-brimmed hats. These elements add a touch of individuality and enhance the boho vibe of her attire. One of her go-to combinations is black and white, which she wears in various forms, from crisp white shirts paired with black trousers to striking black gowns with white detailing. This classic pairing underscores her timeless sense of style. She also masters the art of single-color dressing. She often chooses outfits in a single hue, whether it's a vibrant red suit or a serene blue dress. By sticking to one color, she creates a powerful and cohesive look that stands out. The actress frequently wears outfits adorned with floral and botanical prints, from dresses and skirts to blouses and jumpsuits. These prints add a fresh, vibrant touch to her look, making them perfect for both casual outings and formal events. The actress also ventures into geometric and abstract patterns. Whether it's a bold striped dress or a quirky, abstract top, these prints allow her to showcase her playful and artistic side. She often wears neutral tones like beige, white, and grey, creating a calm and sophisticated look. These outfits are usually devoid of excessive embellishments, relying instead on high-quality fabrics and impeccable tailoring. Her minimalist looks often feature simple, streamlined silhouettes, think shift dresses, straight-leg trousers, or plain tops. This approach to fashion allows her natural beauty and confidence to shine through. Her love for vintage is also evident in her accessories. Vamika often completes her looks with retro sunglasses, classic handbags, or vintage-style jewelry, adding a touch of old-world charm to her outfits. She has worn saris and couture pieces by celebrated designers like Sabyasachi Mukherjee, Manish Malhotra, and Tarun Tahiliani. These outfits often feature luxurious fabrics, intricate handwork, and a blend of traditional and contemporary aesthetics. She is also known for supporting emerging talent in the fashion industry. She frequently wears outfits from up-and-coming designers, helping to highlight new and innovative fashion voices. She often experiments with outfits that feature unique structures and shapes. These pieces, which might include exaggerated shoulders, asymmetrical cuts, or voluminous elements, demonstrate her willingness to embrace bold and unconventional fashion. Vamika's avant-garde style extends to her choice of fabrics and textures. She has been seen in outfits made of unconventional materials like metallics, sheer fabrics, and leather, adding a futuristic edge to her look. During the warmer months, Vamika's style leans towards light, breathable fabrics and bright, cheerful colors. She often opts for dresses in separates that are comfortable yet stylish, incorporating florals, pastels, and breezy silhouettes. Bhumika transitions to richer fabrics like velvet, wool, and knitwear. Her winter wardrobe includes cozy sweaters, stylish coats, and elegant scarves, often in deeper hues like burgundy, emerald, and navy. She often opts for power suits and blazers, which give her a commanding and professional appearance. Whether in classic black or vibrant colors, her suits are always tailored to perfection, often paired with statement accessories. Bhumika also incorporates power dressing into her dresses. She chooses pieces with sharp cuts and clean lines, often accentuated by belts or other structural details that emphasize her silhouette. For tropical getaways, Bhumika embraces beachwear and resort fashion. Her choices include flowing maxi dresses, vibrant kaftans, and stylish swimsuits, often accessorized with wide-brimmed hats and sunglasses. While traveling, she favors comfortable yet fashionable attire like jumpsuits, relaxed jeans, and oversized shirts. These pieces allow her to move freely while maintaining her stylish edge. On the red carpet, she often stunts in heavily embellished gowns that feature intricate beadwork, sequins, and embroidery. These gowns, often custom-made by top designers, highlight her star quality and make a dramatic impact. The actress also draws inspiration from classic Hollywood glamour, with outfits that feature luxurious fabrics, elegant draping, and timeless silhouettes. Paired with vintage hairstyles and makeup, these looks pay homage to the golden age of cinema. For Indian festivals and celebrations, Bhumika embraces traditional attire that captures the essence of the occasion. Her festive wardrobe includes ornate lehengas, elegant saris, and anarkalis adorned with vibrant colors and intricate designs. At award shows and gala dinners, she often opts for sophisticated and glamorous ensembles, ranging from chic evening gowns to stylish cocktail dresses. These outfits are chosen to reflect the formal and prestigious nature of the events. Her summer capsule might include a selection of breezy dresses, versatile shorts, and light blouses, all in a cohesive color palette that makes it easy to create various outfits from a few key pieces. For winter, her capsule wardrobe could consist of cozy sweaters, versatile coats, and essential boots. By focusing on quality over quantity, she ensures that each piece is stylish and functional, suitable for both casual and dressy occasions. For everyday and casual looks, the beauty tends to go for a natural and glowing makeup style. She often highlights her features with subtle highlighter, soft blush, and nude or light pink lip colors. She often opts for classic and elegant hairstyles like sleek buns, retro waves, or smooth, straight hair. These styles enhance her sophisticated and polished appearance. In more relaxed settings, her hair is usually styled in a more casual and playful manner. This could include beachy waves, messy buns, or loose braids, adding a youthful and laid-back vibe to her look. She has a few signature accessories that she frequently incorporates into her looks, such as dainty necklaces, statement earrings, or her favorite pair of sunglasses. These pieces are often chosen for their sentimental value or their ability to elevate her ensemble. The actress also enjoys wearing custom and personalized pieces, whether it's jewelry with her initials, bespoke outfits designed for her, or unique items that reflect her personality and taste. And there you have it. Bhumika Gabi's fashion choices are nothing short of spectacular. She knows how to rock every style with grace and confidence. Which of her looks is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.